How to download iTunes in Windows PC or laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can download your iTunes in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is simply open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, all you have to do is search for your iTunes. So search for iTunes and you can see iTunes, that is apple.com, iTunes. Head over to that website. So from here you can see you can download the latest version from the Microsoft Store. So you can tap on get it from Microsoft Store. And this will basically just open up Microsoft Store, which you can do from the beginning as well. And after you do that, you can then just download it. So let me just open this up in the store and do the same from there. You can also log in into your web version and then download from there as well. So there we go. There is iTunes right there. Open that up. And there you'll find the install button. Tap on install and just let it get installed. So yeah, it's basically that simple. It won't really take that much time as well. So yeah, just let it download. And after it downloads, you'll find the open button as well. You can tap on the open button to open iTunes up. And then you can start using it. And it's basically that simple. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. And also stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.